Hello everyone, I'm Meenakshi and in this video I'll tell you how to make fruit yogurt or you can say fruit cream with hung curd at home. It is a very healthy recipe and you can have it in your weight loss diet also. Guys, when you crave for eating something sweet, then this is truly the best option that you can have at your home. Now let's quickly start with the recipe. The ingredients are: I've taken sharda here, 2 pouches stevia. Sharda you have to cut very finely, 1 cup milk and a bowl where you have to keep your fruit cream. Now for the hung curd you have to take milk strainer of bigger size under a bowl. Put regular roti napkin on the milk strainer and transfer all your curd on it like I'm doing here. Or you can take a muslin cloth here, that is malmal ka kapda. Now keep it on the milk strainer for minimum at least half an hour and maximum for 5 to 6 hours to drain out the water completely from the curd. You can see the texture here that I have kept for 1 hour. And this one I kept for about 4 to 5 hours. Just see the consistency, the thickness of the hung curd. It can be rolled out completely like a ball. See the texture here, so thick and creamy. You can easily take out from the roti wrap or roti napkin. Now I'll be transferring this hung curd to a bowl. This is so creamy and it has lots of health benefits. It is not only low in fat but rich in calcium, and it can be used by a diabetic patient also, as the water that contains sugar has been drained out. Now with the help of a whisker you need to blend the hung curd completely, very finely, and start adding milk a bit. You need to firstly add milk in a very little amount and try to blend it very gently with the whisker to make it a very smooth and thin paste like I am doing here. Now again add a bit of milk to it and blend it completely, making a very fine and smooth paste. Repeat the process until you get the desired consistency. It's totally upon you. If you want to make a thick cream type yogurt, then you can add only 1 cup milk, but if you want to make a thin consistency, then you can even add 2 cups milk. It's totally on you, on your choice. I am adding here 2 cups milk, as you can see very clearly. So it totally depends on you, on your choice. So you need to blend it very finely. This hung curd is very versatile. It is a great alternate to cheese dips, mayonnaise or white sauce. You can make hung curd sandwiches, hung curd dips, spreads, or you can even use this hung curd for dahi kebabs, salad dressing, or it can be used in marinades as well. You can use in cereals. Instead of milk you can add hung curd and add the cereal of your choice. Now add stevia pouches. I'm using here 2 pouches. You can even skip this step if you want to taste the natural taste of the fruits. Then you can avoid this stevia, but I like to add here. It is totally sugar free, so it is a kind of 0-calorie sugar. Now I'm adding the required fruit here. I have added here sharda and I'll also add apple, as both are very good in losing weight. You can add mango as well if you are not concerned about your weight loss, but I'll just be adding apple and sharda. So the fruits you can add for the weight loss are papaya, sharda or apple. Else you can add any fruit of your choice if you are not concerned about your weight loss, or you are just serving as a sweet dish to your guests. So it is ready guys. Now I'll be transferring to the bowls to serve it to my family members. Please guys, do try this at home. It is very healthy. You can even have it regularly. It not only serves as a sweet dish but also reduces the craving of having sweet after you have your meal. You can have it in the mid-evening snack like around 12 to 1 p.m. or else you can have it in the evening time whenever you are hungry. It is a very good option for your hunger, and even you can serve it to your guests as a sweet dish. They cannot differentiate between a fruit cream or this fruit yogurt. I can bet you for this. Now garnish with the almonds. I have taken two types, the soaked almonds and the raw almonds. Garnish with them. You can even add raisins. Now I'm adding the raw almonds on the top for the garnishing. This hung cut also regulates cholesterol and it also reduces the high blood pressure. So it has lots and lots of benefits. So do try this at home guys. It is ready guys. You can have a look. I have even garnished with the rose petals here to make it look more attractive, as you can even eat them and wash them before adding to your dish. Do remember, add the fruit in large quantity. It's ready guys. Try and enjoy at home with your family and friends. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel Giggles for more updates. And if you have any query, you can ask it in the comment section below. Take care.